how this looks. Oh wait, I gotta have my candle going, cause that's what YouTubers do. I need to go get my lighter and fix my hair. Not even be able to see this candle, but we gonna get it lit. All right, okay. So today I'm going to show you how I transform my bathroom into a filming room slash beauty room where I can film my videos, because mostly I do hair videos, so it just makes sense to do your hair in the bathroom. But I wanted to make it look like, you know, something a little bit better than what it was looking like before in terms of lighting and just some decor that I wanted to update in here, and as well as some organization that I wanted to put in here too to make things a little bit easier to grab while I'm filming. So I was long overdue for just like an aesthetic change, but I also needed to organize too. Okay, so first things first, my bathroom was looking a hot mess. As you can see in the video, it was looking crazy. Like, I'm pretty much organized, but I needed to declutter. A lot of times decluttering helps you organize more. And so I just needed to take out some old organization stuff that wasn't working anymore and just replace it with some new stuff and just throw away like really old stuff. So I started off by just kind of vacuuming, getting the floor a little cleaned in the bathroom, because I know I would be on the floor a lot, because I really had to tackle underneath my bathroom cabinets. I hadn't tackled it before. I just hadn't. I just let things kind of go array under my sink in my bathroom, and I have a generous amount of space down there, so I tend to just kind of throw things down there. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree, I got a few containers, and I just swapped out my containers. And it also helped me, since that space down there is a little bit dark, what I did was I put motion activated lights down there. And what that helps me do is, like, if I'm filming a video and I need to grab a product right quick, I can just reach down there. I don't have to rummage through a bunch of stuff. I can clearly see with the lighting, and things are organized, and I just got rid of a whole bunch of other stuff too. I just made things a lot easier for me to find as I film my videos. Another space I tackled was the drawers. I have 2 drawers in this bathroom, and I just keep all my stuff. I don't know if I said this before, but I'm the only one who uses this bathroom, so pretty much it's my territory. I can do whatever, I can do anything that I want to it, because it's mine, so I can have it set up for filming. But I also use this bathroom on a daily basis, so I wanted it to be functional just for my daily uses as well. So I organized under my cabinet, I added lighting, and I organized my drawers. I kind of decluttered my countertop, but on my countertop I do keep all my makeup and all my supplies that I just reach for every day. I do keep that on my countertop, which I'm perfectly fine with. I'm not one of those people who has to have a clear countertop, because, you know, I want things to be accessible. I just want it to be organized and accessible. Another thing I did was I installed some shelves on my walls. And what this helps with is a little bit of organization, a little bit of aesthetically pleasing, if you will. So I just installed those shelves on my wall. I got them from Amazon. They were like, I don't know, around 20 bucks. I'll link everything down below. So I installed those on my wall, and I installed 2 in one area and 1 in a different area for when I want to just walk in my bathroom and record something, but I don't have my tripod. So what I did was I put it in a space where I can just put my camera there, and I'll show you how I do that. So if I ever want to come in my bathroom and I don't have my tripod with me, but I just want to hurry up and record something, I want to be able to sit the camera right here and do whatever I have to do without, you know, having to rush and grab my tripod. So that's why I did that. So I can see you guys from this angle too. One thing that I did do that is probably the most obvious change is that I changed my shower curtain. I changed my shower curtain to something kind of more fun, something that's more reflective, something that's eye-catching, It's way better than my last shower curtain, and that's something I never change, is my shower curtain. So I changed my shower curtain and I love it. It's great. It provides a great backdrop, so it has two purposes, right? So another thing I added was a nice little curtain, which is like a valance that complements this shower curtain. And I also got that from Amazon, so I got the two of these from Amazon. And I also added 2 pictures. I replaced 2 pictures on my wall, and I changed the pictures, and I think it really balances out, creates a very neutral backdrop for my videos. And I just wanted to swap out the decor as well on the walls. So one of the most important things that I did to help improve my space was I changed my lighting. I know in my videos and a lot of my older videos, I look orange. Like my complexion is already, with makeup on, already looks like, you know, brown. But the way the camera worked is that it was making me orange. And so I would try to play around with the white balance, but it will always go back and forth. And in post-editing or post-recording and editing, I would try to fix the white balance, try to fix the color so I didn't look so orange or I didn't look so yellow in the pictures or in the video. So one of the main things I did was I changed my lighting. I went from the regular soft white lighting, which is pretty much yellow lighting, to white lighting, or it's called natural daylight lighting. I use those bulbs. I found some bulbs actually at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I replaced the 3 lights that are in my vanity above my mirror in the bathroom, and it helped out a whole lot. But I also found these vanity lights on Amazon that you peel and stick to your mirror, and it helps give you an illumination, and it kind of reminds you of a ring light. But if you're filming in your bathroom, a ring light isn't like, it'll be in the way, if you get what I'm saying. Like if you try to set it up and maybe you don't have a big space like me, and you're trying to set it up and you want to have a ring light, well, you have a ring light, a camera, like that's a lot going on. But if you install this little peel and stick vanity lighting in your bathroom, it gives you the effect of a ring light, and it provides even more light in your bathroom. And you can use it even when you're not filming. You can use it when you're doing your makeup or your hair or anything else you're doing, and it really helps with that white balance where the camera would naturally pick up the true color of you or what you're recording with this vanity lighting that is a natural daylight. And also what helps with white balance is having white in your video, or a white contrast, which is another reason why I chose this shower curtain. I know that it'll provide a contrast, and the white balance will be there. If you pay attention to your white balance, that you just won't appear orange like I was appearing. And I knew that was a problem, I just didn't know how to fix it, but changing the lights was how I fixed the white balance in my videos. So that's pretty much it. The major thing I did was I cleaned up my bathroom. My bathroom was a complete mess. I cleaned it up, I organized it, and I just made a few changes, a few tweaks, and it did not cost a lot of money. You see, like my wall decor was like $7.99 and $5.99. My shower curtain was, I believe, 20 bucks. My little valance was like under $20. The lighting was around $20. $20 is kind of the average of what each thing costs. So you can really like transform your space with about $100, right? Be sure to comment below any ideas that you have that would make a bathroom a perfect space for filming, or just any ideas that you have that can help me make my space a little bit better. Yeah, so that's pretty much how I went from a crazy messy bathroom to a bathroom that is pretty much my beauty room, and that is aesthetically pleasing to watch and to be in while I film my videos. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click the notification button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you've been subscribed, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I thank you so much again for watching. You guys have a great day. God bless.